So the data is all there for them to see in their portal. The scorecard part is also really important as well. So MaidCentral sends out scorecards every day to customers. You can turn it off or on, but the benefit is for residential is that you might not be going there for three or four more weeks. You need to know right away if there's a problem. If you're going to a commercial place and you kind of mess something up the night before, every day is kind of a reset.
Yeah.
Every day with residential, it's a job audition. It really is. Like it's much more tenuous of a relationship. So you need to be measuring it every opportunity you get.
So all of this is managed by the tech. So I'm guessing like the use of the app is central from a technician's perspective, and certainly helps with regards to management as well, right? So
yeah, they're very self-directed in terms of, we'll have dashboards up and we're not having to worry about whether people come into a central place and clock in. We'll have a dashboard up in the morning and it'll just, anything that goes red means somebody's late. And then we'll check in with anybody that went red on that dashboard, and jobs that are falling behind throughout the day, we'll get notifications and we can communicate with the team, communicate with the customer that we're running behind. But for the most part, a lot of things are happening for them automatically. When they check into a job, things start happening in the background for them. When they check out of a job, it'll send the text message to the next customer saying that they're on the way. They have the ability to adjust that if they want to take a lunch. A lot of kind of background stuff is happening for them as well. That's kind of managing their day. If they're uploading pictures into the portal for upcoming jobs and things like that, it's uploading those into future jobs based on settings that the company does. But it's really easy for them to self-manage their day. What it also does, though, is it allows them to go into a central place where this is linkable to this is our employee resources tab. They have a link here to other resources that they need, but they can see their pay. So MaidCentral allows them, it's one place that they really need to operate. So they can go into it, they can go to the payroll tab, and they can see job by job, day by day, what they made. Especially if you're doing a commission structure system, your employees have to understand it. They have to understand how they make what they make. And so they can see, all right, I made $32 an hour on this particular job. It was a small job, but I was very efficient. I was very productive in my time there. And for this day, I made $22 an hour. I didn't have much drive time. I didn't take a bunch of breaks, because it'll show them the clock time versus the job time and the spread. And the more there's a spread there, the more likely it is that they could have a lower hourly rate. So they can start to understand that. So they're really a different kind of employee than we might have had 10 years ago. They're all tech savvy.